Hey guys, so this is Famous Caesarsville as always. So we're going to be baking together very briefly my super amazing herb-based red velvet cake recipe. It is a very amazing cake with such a vibrant color. I also added a secret ingredient that you can only find out what it is when you join my YouTube membership platform. Hey guys, so for everyone that has been wondering how I achieve my super stable whipped cream that I use on about 95% of my whipped cream cake orders, this is how to go about it. But you need to understand that it's more about the technique for me than even the measurement of the recipe. But you must know that I only use about just 2 core ingredients to achieve my super stable whipped cream every single time. Look at how stable it is that I can even flip it over and it actually stands firm. I put it on the spatula and it didn't actually drop off. For you to get the full video, just go down to my YouTube channel to see.